knock my head off then.
Oh, yes, sir. Yeah. Man, let them know what you're running in here.
This is 8 platinum 18s on 8 Stetsom base 8Ks. As far as tuning, I have no idea.
It plays. That's why I look at it. It plays and let it roll.
I knew I'd see her around. I'd be at some party. She'd show up and I'd be walking out across some parking lot, hiding behind her sister. I'd look up, she'd be at the red lights. That white Max with a sticker on the back. Now that I got to see her. We play at the same pumps, flip through the same stations, slow down for the same curves, run around with the same crowd. Just needed some time. She could get more her life. I'd get on mine. Thought I would be fine. Maybe not. I knew she'd find a way to go, but I never thought she would get.
They do the job every time.
And these are the stock ones.
Oh, this ain't the upgrade deal.
I have 8 more at the house that have been powder coated.
So what are you gonna do with those?
I'm gonna put them in here.
You think gonna swap them out?
I'm gonna change it to a 6th order.
Yeah.
Because this isn't sealed or nothing. And you see how violent it is. I'm losing a lot of pressure in the back. I ripped the headliner out yesterday.
So you just did this?
This is my tow truck. I towed with this. I got that laser up here.
Oh, so you didn't tow this one. You towed with this one.
Yes.
How far was it of the drive?
Atlanta.
About 5 hours?
It was about 8.
Okay, it wasn't that bad. I mean, yeah, I drove teens. It was pretty bad. Let me know where they can find you on social media, man.
It's Ravens Automotive.
Yes, sir. Y'all be sure to follow them and tag them down below. Man, those Stetson do pretty good. You're rolling? Yeah, it's still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? I sure appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.